welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to do a simple makeup tutorial in honor of all the graduating students of 2018. So again, today we will be doing a simple makeup tutorial for a graduation look that you can use if you are attending a graduation ceremony or pag ikaw yung graduate. So if you want to get this look, let's keep on watching. Already moisturized my face. I actually use the iWhite Korea Facial Cream Whitening Vita. So I've been using this one for quite a few months now at talagang maganda to. So maybe I'll be posting a review of this one soon. So we all know that graduation ceremonies here in Philippines are usually done during the daytime or during the afternoon. And then alam naman natin, Philippines during March is like the entry of summer already. So medyo mainit or talagang maalinsangan talaga yung panahon, and especially during the ceremony. So although alam ko na may mga venue na air-conditioned na, pero hindi talaga natin maiiwasan na medyo humid talaga yung temperature. Ang point ko dito is dapat yung makeup natin is spaltado. Dapat binibake mo talaga yung makeup mo para mag-last siya all throughout the ceremony. At pwede pa hanggang sa after graduation ceremony celebration na diba. Mga tips ko talaga para ma-lock in yung moisture ng face mo at the same time hindi ka masyadong dry tingnan kahit nag-bake ka. So actually, spray face mist before the primer. So nag-moisturizer na ako tapos naglalagay ako ng face mist. Ang ginagamit ko is the Nature Republic Aloe Vera 90% sweet and charmless. So pwede din itong gamitin facial mist, moisturizing mist, and then pwede rin itong setting spray kasi mayroon itong glycerin. So, mag-spray lang tayo. And then, let it set for a few seconds. So, dried out na yung face natin. So, now, let's put on primer. So, ang ginagamit ko ngayon is itong No Shine Mattifier from QuickFX. So, matagal ko na itong ginagamit and actually, hindi pa siya nauubos. Like, gusto ko nang bumili ng bagong primer pero hindi pa siya nauubos. So, talagang I'm just using it all up before I actually buy another one. Kasi nga girls, tipid-tipid din pag may time. Now, put on primer. So now, let's proceed with our foundation. So for this part, for the foundation guys, we have to make sure that our foundation that we are using will be matte finish at talagang naglalast siya for an entire day. So far, yung na-try ko talaga na naglalast siya for an entire day at saka talagang hindi siya nag-change ng complexion ng skin. It's itong Maybelline Dream Velvet Soft Matte Hydrating Foundation. Ito siya. And, sorry. At saka itong SanSan Matte Finish Liquid Foundation. One of my favorite foundation talaga. Matagal pa itong ginagamit. So what I do is I will be combining the two of these and then I will be using it in my face. So itong SanSan again, my shade is light ivory, and then for the Maybelline, I'm using Sandy Beige. So actually guys, alam ko na itong SanSan is too light for my skin, but it's okay kasi nag-oxidize naman siya. So as you can see, the color of Maybelline Dream Velvet is close to the tapos itong SanSan is more it's then sun and then really good spatula. Yung ginagamit ko pang mix. And then taking a foundation brush, let's apply it all over my face. So guys, another important thing, kasi nga graduation ceremony to at saka whole day, we have to make sure na full coverage yung foundation para talagang ma-cover niya yung mga areas na dapat i-cover. talaga yung ginagamit kong brush for the foundation. So, let's buff it out. What I like about this brush kasi, ano siya airbrush finish siya parang gumagamit ng ano. It's just like you're using a beauty blender or a beauty sponge. Pero brush siya. And what's advantageous about using a brush kasi hindi maraming product ang sinisip niya. Talagang dinidistinct niya. So now that we're done with our foundation, so let's put on some concealer. So I'll be using the Chaville Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer in shade number 1. So I'm using a beauty sponge, so gonna put ito and ito sa pinaka-importanting part talaga ng makeup nito is baking. It's because, again, as I mentioned a while ago, importante talaga na bake ang face natin kasi whole day event yun and most probably yung environment will be very humid, maraming tao. So, sure mo talaga na yung face mo ay talagang asfaltado, like nakasemento yan para hindi yan air on. So, magkagay tayo na powder. Yung bake mo talagang pinibake yung entire face ko kasi na diba, parang what's the point? Bake mo na yung entire face mo. Oh, okay. So, I'm using marine black. So, at this point, gawin natin yung eyebrows natin. So, I'll be using the BB Advanced Eyebrow Kit and I'll be using this shade right here. So, I'll be mixing two shades, this shade and this shade. And I'll be using this one. So now I'm done with my brows, so let's proceed to the eyes. So first we'll be using a transition shade. So again, taking my autumn eyeshadow palette from Makeover, I'll be getting this peach shade right here. So this is amber. So you can actually look for other shades similar to this shade as well. So this is a peachy shade. So let's get this one and let's use this as our transition color. For our second color, which we will be placing on this upper part of our eye, we'll be getting this Ecru Spot palette. We'll be taking the shade Pecan. So this shade right here. So this is like a brownish red shade. So we'll be placing that all over the area here. We're done with our second color. So to create a smoky eye effect, I'll be taking this black color right here. This is Andiron, and I'll be placing that on the outer corners of my eye. That's very shade. So you have to remember that when using the dark eyeshadow, you have to be very careful with it because these black shadows are very pigmented, so you really have to have that control with your eyes. And you just apply a little at a time. And then slowly dragging that color inwards up to the middle of your eyes. And then we'll be blending that. Getting another brush, let's start blending the color. So let's just to soften the edges. Let's use a brush to actually spread, to actually blend this color right here. Spread and blend this one because I think it was too dark. But again, don't be afraid, just blend. And then taking again the brush that I used for the pecan shade right here, let's get this again and add more here. So again guys, remember it's better to slowly place the eyeshadows rather than to place it all na marami kasi mas easy na mag-build up ng color kaysa mag-remove. So I'm just balancing out the colors. So now, let's get another small brush. Let's take this color right here. This is Caden. This is a metallic shade. And then let's place that on the inner corners of our eyes. And then let's add more of the color knobs. So we're done placing the glittery eyeshadow on the inner corners of my eyes. So now let's add some highlight to my brow area. So we'll be using the shade Biscuit from the Ecru Spot palette. And then taking the brush that we used a while ago for the shade Amber, the peach color, let's take that again and then let's place some on the lower part of our eyes. And then on the inner corners of below my eyes, we'll be placing that glittery Caden color. So we are done with our eyeshadow and just finished the entire look in my eyes. So now we're done with both my eyes, and as you can see here, I have followed the exact same steps that I did with this eye and applied it to this side of my eye as well. So now let's put on some eyeliner. So I'll be using again this waterproof eyeliner by SanSan, and we'll be creating a simple cut eye look. Done with our eye look, and now let's proceed to contour and our lips. So for the contour, we'll be using this contour palette, blush and contour palette by Bilena. So again, I have this one in the shade Beige, and using a contour brush, girls, honestly, na lang po talaga na mag-contour, pero mas maganda pong mag-contour para po mas ma-define yung structure ng face. And also, especially like medyo malaki yung side ng face ko, pinukontour ko talaga yun. And then for the blush, I'll be just using the same palette right here, this one, and I'll be using it. Let's do also nose lining kasi alam niyo naman, nose line is life for me. be using this small little brush right here and then getting that same pan that we use for the contour. Let's draw a very smooth line. And then, for the highlight, gagamitin ko yung TheBalm Manizer Sisters ko. This one. And gagamitin natin itong Mary Lou Manizer. Ito. And then, we'll place that on the highest points of our face. Lupa ko yung ibang blush. Sige, ganito lang. Mas gusto ko ata ito. Yun. Maganda to. So now we're done with our highlighter. So now let's proceed to the very last part of this makeup, which is our lips. So again, because we are doing a graduation makeup look that's for day use at para close to natural lang siya. So gagamitin natin ay isang nude lipstick lang para yung attention talaga is dun mafocus sa eyes. Kasi yung eyes talaga yung lagyan natin ng effort. So I will be using the Bilena liquid lipstick in the shade Aura. So this one is a very good nude lipstick, and I will top it up with the Careline metallic lipstick in the shade Luster. Top it off with the Careline metallic lipstick, so in the shade Luster.
What's up guys, this is my completed graduation makeup look that you can definitely follow if you are planning to attend a graduation ceremony this month or if ikaw mismo undergraduate. So I hope you find this look interesting and good enough. Anyways, I hope you like this video. Thank you very much for watching and have a very nice day.